Let's get your Nighthawk router working perfectly with your Spectrum modem. First, what is bridge mode? Spectrum's modem acts like a gatekeeper, controlling your internet connection. When you add a router, you can end up with two gatekeepers, a situation called double NAT. This can slow down your internet speed and cause problems with online gaming, streaming, and port forwarding. Bridge mode turns your Spectrum modem into a simple pass-through device, giving your Nighthawk router direct access to the internet. This eliminates double NAT, improves performance, and makes your network more efficient. Officially, Spectrum refers to bridge mode as IP pass-through. By enabling IP pass-through, you are assigning the public IP to your router. You can enable bridge mode via Spectrum's modem login by navigating to Advanced IP Pass-Through and selecting Fixed or DHCP for the router's MAC address. You can verify it is working with the Nighthawk app, and you may need to power cycle the devices, the modem first, then your Nighthawk router. First, access your Spectrum modem's settings. Usually you can do this by typing 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.100.1 into your web browser. Log in with your Spectrum credentials. Then, find the bridge mode or IP pass-through setting, usually under Advanced Settings. Enable it. Next, connect an Ethernet cable from the LAN port on your Spectrum modem to the WAN or Internet port on your Nighthawk router. Now, configure your Nighthawk's WAN settings. Log into your Nighthawk router's interface, either through a web browser or the Nighthawk app. Under Internet or WAN settings, choose DHCP as your connection type. Spectrum usually assigns IP addresses automatically. Finally, reboot both your Spectrum modem and your Nighthawk router. Give them a few minutes to fully restart. Once they're back online, your Nighthawk router should have a public IP address and be handling your network traffic directly. If you have issues, check your DNS settings, try using Google's 8.8.8.8, and ensure your router's firmware is up to date.